Do you have a website with decent amount of traffic but no leads at all? Then this video is for you. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to convert your visitors into leads using this tool called Collect.Chat. So let's get started. Hey guys, my name is Vimal. I'm a digital marketing and website consultant, and in this channel I post content on digital marketing and WordPress tutorials that will help you grow your business. Now that being said, let's get started. Collect.Chat is a very useful chatbot. It integrates very easily with your website and it's very interactive, which makes people more likely to interact with it and you get a lead out of it. So I'm going to show you how to use this tool, how to use Collect.Chat to generate leads. So let's get started. So once you open Collect.Chat, the link is there in the description below. You can click on that and you can sign up using Google or any of your emails that you have. I'm going to log in using my existing account. So once you log in, it will redirect you to the dashboard. Once you go to the dashboard, click on build. Here is where we are going to build the chatbot first and then integrate with our website. So for this chatbot, I'm going to take an example of a digital marketing agency and I'm going to try to get leads for digital marketing services. You can use this for any service-based businesses. So just follow the steps that I do. So first, the position, you can select the left or middle or right hand side of your website. I'm going to go with right hand side, and here I'm going to change the message to hey, how can I help you? And here click on an avatar image. I would recommend you to use your own image because that adds a personal and human touch. And then once this is done, go to script. Here is where we build the script. I'm going to delete the existing ones and create a fresh one. So initially I'm going to use the welcome message saying hey, welcome to XYZ company, and I'm going to add a smiley here. And then I'm going to give a multi-choice question asking what are you looking for, and here I'm going to add the services: search engine optimization, social media marketing, and here web design. You can add more that you need. And now I'm going to ask their name. What is your name? And then I'm going to ask their phone number and email ID. And then a thank you message, which I'm going to edit, saying thank you for your information. Our representative will contact you shortly. And make sure to disable this. Done. And now the script is done. Click on publish. And now we are ready to share it on our website. So now I'm going to use an example of WordPress site. So I'm going to copy this snippet and I'm going to use this demo site. I'm going to go to the dashboard, to the plugin section and add new. Search for Collect.Chat. Install this plugin. Activate it. And then paste your snippet code. And you can actually create multiple chatbots for multiple bots for different pages, but now I'm going to use the same bot for every page. So click on save here, and now if you go to the website, you can see the chatbot visible here. So click on this and you can type the information here. Name, number, I'm going to give a random number. Test. Now the conversation is complete. Now you can check the lead inside the results under responses. So you got your lead here. Once you get the leads, you can contact them with call, or you can send them an email sequence. So make sure to contact them as soon as possible, either by call, SMS, or email. And based on how strong your sales game is, you'll be able to convert them. So one thing that is very important is go to settings, go to behavior, and enable this. When a user reaches 40% of the page, or when a user scrolls through your website for more than 7 seconds, the chatbot automatically pops up. This increases the probability of you getting a lead. Click on publish. So make sure you do this. So guys, now we have the chatbot integrated with the website, and once you start getting traffic, either let it be from SEO, or let it be from Facebook ads or Google ads or any other source of traffic, this tool is going to help you get more leads. And I'm going to talk about how many leads you can get per month for free. You can get started with this tool absolutely for free. You get up to 50 leads a month without any charges. If you want to upgrade it, you can go with a monthly plan or a yearly plan, and it starts with $24 a month. If you go for yearly, it's more cheaper. So I would recommend you start for free. Start with the 50 responses one, and as you start getting more leads, you can upgrade it, and it's going to be worth it for sure. Hey guys, hope you liked the video. If you thought the video was informative, please make sure to give a thumbs up, and also subscribe to my channel to get updates on my new videos. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, it's bye from Vimal.